Hello guys, this is Mr. AB on your way again. Today we are going to find the slope of a point whereby you have been given 5, 8 and 9, 11. We are still using the modified rise over run. So here we are not going to use a graph, but we are using the formula. The formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This one is our first point, so we can label this one as x1 and this as y1. Then the next one here, this is our x2 and our y2. So we plug it into the formula and then we get 11 take away 8 divided by 9 take away 5, which give us 3 over 4. So here you rise 3 and you run 4 as a slope. So this is the slope of this given line. Okay. Now, what about if you have a point 3, 2, and 5, 7? Okay, I want to show you something here that can able to speed us up. We have the formula up there as y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So this is coordinate and it's going to be up. So just draw an arrow going here. And then this one goes down, so draw an arrow pointing down here. And we are starting from this table, this point here. So it's just a matter of 7, which happens to be the right side. So 7 take away 2, all divided by 5 take away 3. And that becomes 5 over 2. And you're done. The slope between the point, between 2 points, -2 and 3. And then 1 and 9. So remember, we are just going to connect y to the y, which happens to be up, and x to the x here, which is down. Let me remind you with the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here we start from here, and it's 9 take away 3. And here we start from this point 2, which is 1 take away, and this point is already negative, so -2 here. So here 9 minus 3, that gives us 6. Here 1 minus -2 becomes +2. And I have addressed this one. Anytime you're subtracting from a negative, it tends to become plus. And this becomes 6 over 3. This is 3 over 1, or you can say 3. So the slope is 3. Let's look at another one. Okay, so if we have 3, -6, and 1, 2. We want to find the slope between these 2 points without using the graph, or that we connect from our second point, y coordinate all the way to the y here, and here all the way here, which is this is a rise and this is a run. So we start from here, so 2 minus 6, because the formula have a minus here, and this one is a negative point. And then 1 minus 3, which becomes 2. The minus become plus 6, and here we get negative 2. We get 8 divided by negative 2, which give you negative 4 over 1, which you can also leave it as negative 4, and you're done. That's the slope. Okay, let's look at our last one. If we have a point 6, 7 and point 2, negative 1, and we want to find the slope between these points. Okay, we connect our y point 2 to this and our x to this here. This is the up one, which is the same as the rise, and the run, which is the same as the one that comes at the denominator or down. So here we start from here, so we got negative 1 minus 7, or divided by, we pick this one, 2 minus 6. Here we have negative, so we put all together and we give them negative. Again, negative 8 is bigger, so your final answer have to be negative. Negative 4. This negative cross out. 8 divided by 4 is 2, which you can write it as 2 or 8, 2 over 1, which is the same as 2, and you're done. Okay, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.